Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wasder token. Now the Wasder token just got listed on a central exchange just yesterday, brand new listing, ticker symbol is WAS. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, the Wasder token. So like I said, ticker symbol WAS. This token just got listed yesterday on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search WAS, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. But the cool thing about Hotbit is that you can invest a lot of your tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lockups, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on a lot of tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code down there. And let's get into this token here. So how you find information about this token, you can head over to their official Twitter, which is at Wasdergg. It is a verified Twitter with the blue check mark. They have 21,700 Twitter followers. It says they're from Stockholm. It says the future of social gaming and your home base for Metaverse adventures. Collect rare NFTs. And then they have a link to their Telegram, a link to their white paper, and a link to their webpage on their Twitter. Now, their webpage link is wasder.gg. So that's where you can find a lot of info. Now, if you want to find even more info, their white paper, 56 pages long, very extensive white paper. It says, our mission is to reshape gaming by giving players the home, the guide, and the solutions to evolve their experience. So it goes over the history of video games, blockchains, NFTs, and most of us know by now how games, crypto is integrating blockchain, NFTs, into video games for ownership rights. Goes over the game industry and how on mobiles it's worth $90.7 billion right now. PCs, the industry is worth $35.9 billion. Consoles, $49.2 billion. Total 2021 for video games, $175.8 billion. So obviously it is a huge industry. The next generation of players, you're going to have branding, and there's going to be inclusivity, and you're going to own your own property, basically. Like, the skins in Fortnite, you don't own those because if Fortnite goes away, so do your skins, right? But the cool thing about NFTs nowadays in video games is that once you buy them, then even outside of the game, you could trade them on the open market and things like that. So now let's go over to their official webpage, which is wasder.gg. Over there, you can find token staking, so you can stake these tokens. So usually, usually when you can stake tokens on the webpage, eventually you could stake them on central exchanges like Hotbit and whatnot. So let's click down to token info here. It says the Wasder token ecosystem was created to incentivize our users to continue using existing and testing new functionality. Think of it as a circular economy with a whole bunch of exciting ways to both earn and spend tokens. For the content creators, we're currently exploring ways to get rewarded from fans for their hard work. In the true spirit of Wasder, this also means there will be ways to give back to the fans and the community to make it circular. Here are some of the plans we're working on which are subject to change. So spending WAS, participate in VIP events like esports teams, streamers, influencers. Think of NFT tickets. Cosmetic upgrades in the platform like avatars, badges, frames, NFTs, and personalized looks. You could tip or pay your favorite content creator on the platform just like you can with this video by hitting the super chat button, or super thanks button I should say, or the join button, hint hint, wink wink. And it says battles challenge other gamers in the game battles. Earning WAS tokens. Perform various actions in the platform. More details to come. Hosting tournaments, events. Bring all your friends and enemies. Be a content creator and get rewarded for great content. Rank high in community leaderboards and earn rewards, and defeat community guilds in battles and tournaments. So these are all different ways that you could spend your WAS tokens or earn WAS tokens. Token metrics. So it says 1 billion total supply. Circulating supply 69.3 million. And it's split up like this. So 5.3% of the tokens go to seed round, 10% private sale, 1.2% public sale, 21.5% ecosystem, 20% staking rewards and liquidity, 12% legal and marketing, 20% team and advisors, 10% reserves and DAO. Their partners are on here: Gala Games, 18 Ventures, Karen Labs, Polkadot, Ethereum, Zero, Mantra DAO. They have a whole bunch of them on here you could check out. So all sorts of info there. Now, it says find friends, join communities, and share content. Wasder brings old and new friends together around your passion for gaming. With Spaces, you get all the content for your favorite games all in one space. Great gaming content is life. So that's what this project's all about, is gaming. Your profile is the center of your attention. Make it personal with the games you love to play. Find new friends to play your favorite games with. Party play is matchmaking made simple. Your feed lets you share and discover what matters to you with people who care. And they show you what the app interface looks like on their page here. You can stay in touch with party chats. It's easy to get in touch with your friends on the go or from your couch, just like Discord. Think of Discord, but blockchain version. Summon your squad. Friends Hub is coming to Wasder. Ready your headphones and double check that you're not muted. Voice is coming soon. Let's take your community to the next level. Earn and spend tokens on what matters to you most, gaming and fun. And settle the score in battles, from game nights to game releases, event management for everyone. And then they have frequently asked questions and a roadmap at the bottom of the page for when they're coming out with different gaming things like party chat, voice, friends hub, party play, credit system, party play, game integration, brand publisher, spaces, all that type of stuff you could check out on the roadmap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token and the whole project? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.